you're currently watching Ben Mantra. Before we get in the video, make sure you go down top, link in the description below, and cop Collection 1 Hypebeast. You have until May 20th. After that, drop 2 will come out on May 24th, so definitely stay tuned for that. And make sure you go subscribe. We are so close to 500 subscribers. Once we reach 500, I will be doing my secret collection. All of these in the boxes on the shelves. So definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post a video. Get into today's video, which is something from Urban Outfitters. You probably saw by the thumbnail and all that, so let's get into what I got. I already opened this up because I didn't know what it was at first, but then you got the Urban Outfitters bag right here. Let's open this up. Came with the receipt. We don't need the receipt. Take a look at what I got. So right when I got this, I opened this up and wore it. You know, had to do it one time because this is just so sick in my opinion. Let's take a look at this tee. You get this in this wrap. Open this up. Here we have vintage tee from Guess right here, but it's not really vintage. It's like from the old vintage tee. So let's take a look at this. I love this colorway. You got the pink and gray one. We're gonna go in depth with this. You know, ASAP Rocky did a collab with Guess. Sean Witherspoon did a collab with Guess, and those tees are going for like a lot of money. ASAP Rocky ones are going for like $100 to $200 a piece, and the ones with ASAP Rocky, you don't have the money signs on the S's. And Sean Witherspoon's, those are going for like $300 to $400 a piece. So definitely a lot of money for those tees. I definitely want to get the gray and white one, so I might get one of those one day. But right now I have this pink and gray one, so let's take a look at this. One of my favorite features of this t-shirt is the old Guess style neck collar right here, neck, whatever you want to call this. I love this. It's very thick right here. It's not like a normal neck collar like the Collection 1 Hypebeast, where it's like a normal thin one. This one is very thick like the old vintage t-shirts were. A lot of my vintage t-shirts do have this old type of neck collar, so I definitely like that they brought this back. The fit on this is very boxy and very oversized, so definitely if you want, you can definitely size down one if you want. It doesn't fit like Fear of God. It fits a little smaller than Fear of God, but it does fit a little boxy like the old vintage style tees and all that. And let's take a look at the embroidery we have on this. You have Guess Los Angeles. This is from the Capsule collection. I don't think this was an original colorway that came out. They just did this in an original, you know, model. They just made this an original model type of thing. You got the stitched on tag, Guess Los Angeles right there. And this feels like a Rylon t-shirt. It's very nice, very thick, but it's very flowy, and I think it's perfect for summertime. I'm definitely wearing this all summer with the Sean Witherspoon hat. Definitely gonna be a vibe for summer. And maybe the Yeezys. No, that'd be too much stripe, so probably not the Yeezys. But yeah, I really like this tee. These sold out surprisingly fast on Urban Outfitters. Some of these are available on pre-order, but I still checked eBay, and this tee in particular is going for $100 right now, and I got this for 44 bucks. So, you know, I might have to cop another one, but, you know, who knows. I'm definitely going to try to cop some more Guess tees from Urban Outfitters before they all completely sell out. But this one did sell out pretty fast. So do some other ones. I'm trying to get the yellow and white one. That's the next one I'm trying to get. Let me know down below if you copped anything from Urban Outfitters times Guess collaboration. Let me know down below if you copped anything at one piece so far. I'm definitely going to try to get my Guess game up. Make sure to go down and cop Collection 1 Hypebeast before you cop Guess. Subscribe. We are so close to 500 subscribers. Like I said, once we reach 500, I will be doing my sneaker collection video. And I hope you liked the video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe. And remember, always create.